Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new task in the 24me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the tasks button at the top of the page in the middle, and click on the plus sign at the bottom of the page on the right, and first enter a title for your task, and then choose a location, so like enter any location where it will take place. So you can also enter the time for, I don't know, like 1 p.m. and it is set for today, but of course you can change that too. And you can also set reminders, and you can also set a repeat. So if it's a task that, I don't know, needs to be repeated weekly, then you can also set it, and you can set an end date to that repetition as well. So you can also add friends or colleagues to this task by entering their name or their email. And you can also add labels to it, so if it's like a personal task or like a household task, or if it's a workplace task. So and also of course you can create your own label. And once everything is set, just click on the add button at the top of the page on the right, and your task is created. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.